In today's video, I'm going to show you how to chop cabbage with a knife so you can make salads, coleslaw, or cook it. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Laura and I share easy family-friendly recipes to help you to learn to cook for yourself or your family. The first thing you want to do to the cabbage is remove the outer leaves. We won't be needing those. Next, you place your cabbage on a flat surface and with a sharp knife, you're going to slice off the end. I found that now it's easiest to slice it in half and then once again into quarters. Now before I continue, if you're finding this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up so I know to make more of these easy how-to videos on my channel. I like to chop a piece of cabbage at a time and with my sharp knife, carefully chop away the cabbage more or less into even slices. The great thing about cabbage is that because it's layered, it will separate easily. Now you can use this chopped cabbage to make coleslaw, to make egg rolls, or to saute it, which I show you how to do in this quick video, which I hope you watch next. See you next time.